Hello friends, Modi 2 government will have its first anniversary tomorrow, and the last 12 months have been very eventful, very humbling, very much painful, and also have given us a lot of idea about our weaknesses and strengths, which must now be put to good use. In the last 30-40 years, we have actually lived beyond our means only because of two very big factors. One factor was the migrants within the country, and the other big factor was the immigrants outside the country. The migrants within the country were giving you labor and other services at a relatively cheap cost, and the immigrants outside were emitting you unsteady flow of dollars to support our Indian economy silently and willingly. These are the two categories of people which have been the most affected in the current lockdown. And I suppose this is the time these two categories of people must be brought together to see to it that the experience and the expertise of these two set of people are merged and put to good use for the development of our infrastructure, not just by the use of regular construction companies within the country, but encouraging small construction companies in the localized areas and seeing to it that they are able to deliver quality products at a cheap price. All these people would definitely need a lot of space for them to operate. So one suggestion I have is that in different cities we have a lot of industrial clusters. In industrial clusters, many people have got allotments of industrial plots, and they got allotment either because of dubious reasons, or they just bought it as because of some reason or the other, but they are not being put to use. All such industrial activities which are not being put to use must be allowed to be used by these people, so that they can house these migrants and also allow these returning immigrants to see to it that they are able to form the backbone for our infrastructure projects. Even in my small area where I have a small company, we see that at least 30% of the industrial plots are either lying vacant or not being put to proper use. These type of vacant plots can be either taken up by the government for some such type of activities and allowed to be used by these people, so that the local infrastructure can be developed. There is no need to have a company working in Punjab to go and work in Tamil Nadu, when Tamil Nadu can itself support itself, and same like Punjab can support itself. So we must try to develop and encourage small companies within the local areas for the local infrastructure which needs to be developed, as that is the one thing which can take India forward. God bless. Have a wonderful day. Take care.